Hello, good morning guys. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. If you're new here, hi. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so very much for returning back. I do appreciate. So guys, today's video I'm gonna show you, okay, I'm doing an introduction of a little bit of some video that I did while I was in the office and while in town taking brunch and unboxing some 2 pairs of shoes. I am today I want to now do the full outfit of the okay, the look. I want to do the whole look to show you how the shoes look like. So I want you to comment down below, is it outfit 1 or outfit 2? Let me know. So thank you so much for clicking in once again, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do go ahead and subscribe, like and comment and share. Please do not forget to turn on the post notification bell so that in case I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to be alarmed. Okay guys, so without much ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I am so excited for this package. As you can see, I was just passing or I was just going through things in the Instagram handle, some other page, this page here, and I saw some goodies, so I decided to pass through that office or shop to see what's up. So I got 2 pairs of shoes, heel shoes, and let's get to see what's up. And I'll just show you, but I will try them out with the I'll do the outfits, whatever the fashion video, and then I'll show you how it looks like in my feet and toes. I show you venye nakaa kwenye mguu zangu. So this is the first shoes here. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about it? You know, I usually know of sandals that look like this. I didn't know that there is high heel like this. So I was like, I don't want this. But when I tried it, it was amazing. And then it fits my legs so well. And it's so funny that it's size 36, yet I do size 37. Okay, sometimes for the heels, you might find out size 36, 37, 38 might fit you, depending on brand. So this brand is Unica. Yeah, so this is the first shoes. Let me know in the comment section, but I'll do the fashion video. I'll match with the maybe outfit or dresses or whatever to make you see how they look like. I don't know if you can see this well. Let me adjust the lighting. Okay, so this is my first. See, yeah, I'm at the office, guys, don't mind. I went to town and decided to take some brunch, and then I came to work, passed through the shop and all that, so don't worry, don't mind. So this is the second one. The second shoe is this, the silver one. So this maroon and this silver. I also love it. It's so comfortable, the same as this, so comfortable, and I like this shiny part here. So this you can match with maybe the nude outfits, and it's so perfect. This says 37. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I don't have silver shoes, so at least I have one. Yeah. I'll do the fashion video, guys. Stay tuned. Hi my loves. So let's focus on the shoes because the shoes are the ones that I am showcasing. So because they are new ones, this is what I wanted to show you. So I'm just doing the whole outfits to show you how you can pair the shoes with. Yeah, you understand? So this is what I chose. I decided to do this little strapless dress here, and I did with this shirt, the white shirt, uh, just to add the vibe on the dress. It's an added advantage. And then I decided to put these, I don't know what this is called, is it badge or something, just to accessorize the dress and make it look elegant. And then I'm doing these red earring. I don't know where my silver earrings went to. I don't understand. It would have been better if it goes with the silver thing or whitish. I don't mind. So I'm doing with the red here. And then the ring, of course, the silver, and the shoes are silver. Yeah, like this. So let me know. Do you love the first outfit? What do you love about it?
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired.
Pardon the background noise. I don't know why I decided to shoot this time. I thought if I'm shooting this time, I'll be having a lot of lighting. But now there is a lot of noise because we have a road across and it's weekend, you know. So pardon the background noises. Alright guys, so this is my second fit, and as I said, we are focusing on the shoes. Right. So we are focusing on the shoes, and as you can see, we have these, or I have these maroon heel shoes, the strapless as I showed you. So, and I just decided to pair with the yellow, a touch of yellow to complement. So to complement the look, and also I decided to do this stud earring here, the ring, and yeah, the short and the long shirt here, as you can see, and then I accessorize with the belt. Okay, let's focus on the shoes because it's the deal breaker of the day.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no
guys, thank you so much for watching and clicking my video once. Alright guys, thank you so much for clicking in and watching my video. I really am grateful and I'm delighted to have you here, and thank you so much. If you're new here, you're welcome and welcome and welcome, and from a returning subscriber, let's continue with the same spirit. So guys, let me see you on my next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. What do we say? Au revoir, ciao ciao, bye.
Oh my God.
Hey my loves, let's focus on the shoes because it's the shoes that I'm showcased. Let's focus on the shoes because it's the shoes that I'm focusing.